Hi everyone, Tashi the leg. I can't believe, however, that 2024 is almost behind us, and the brand new year 2025 is right around the corner. I'm sure that you are ready to embrace the 2025 with open arms, and I wish you a very fantastic years filled with fresh starts, big dreams, and a lot of joys. So let's get ready to leave the 2024 behind and make the 2025 as our best year. If we look back to 2024, it was like a year with the full of ups and downs for many of us. But it was also a year of growth, a year of learning, and a year of resilience. It's all a part of our journey. It's all a part of our life. Whether you had a best year or you faced a lot of challenges. So let's celebrate, whatever the experience, whatever the lessons that we have learned, and whatever the milestones that we have achieved. I would like to take this moment to say a thankful to each and every one of you. You have been a part of my YouTube channel. Without your love, your support, and your encouragement, I wouldn't go this far. So thank you so much. And may this year 2025 brings you a lot of opportunities, good health, success, and happiness. Remember, Buddha stated that you are the master of yourself, and your future is shaped by what you do. So therefore, let's make each and every moment count. I would like to hear what you are looking forward to do in this 2025. So drop your New Year's resolutions and big goals in the comments below. And once again, I wish you a very happy new year. Take care, stay safe, and let's make the 2025 as our best and meaningful year. Thank you.